average for a gallon of self-serve unleaded gasoline, approaching an all-time record. High oil and gas prices are going to be with us for a while.
Three new studies tonight raise serious, important new questions about the benefits and the efficiency of producing ethanol.
It's worse for the environment than burning the gasoline.
Gas prices are up 68 cents from a year ago.
Oil speculation is rampant with new threats of supply disruptions there. Gas prices have jumped a whopping 49 cents a gallon since September.
Let's face it, high fuel prices and poor fuel quality are a constant pain. It's that nagging little thorn in our sides that everyone believes we just have to live with and can't do anything about. Wrong. What if you found out that there are large companies with a lot of money at their disposal that are not being as impacted by these problems, all because they have access to something that you don't? Do you realize that there's a product out there that has been used by large industrial companies for the last 25 years, saving them huge amounts of money on their fuel costs and repair bills? This hidden product utilizes a Nobel Prize-winning chemistry to increase fuel economy, make vehicles last longer, cut down on bad emissions, and supply more power. Not to mention doing other things like reducing wear and tear, preventing rust and corrosion, fighting the negative effects of ethanol, and even keeping fuel from going bad for much longer than other products. Did you know in the past 10 years fuel prices have risen about 250%, while the average income has risen only about 5%? So what that means is basically, you're not making any more money, but you are paying out a whole lot more on repairs and fuel, all because what you are buying is more expensive and lower quality. We can wait for something to happen and hope that the prices will come down, which is not likely, or we can do something about it ourselves right now. You need what these companies have. It's not complicated, it's just you accessing what they have been using for years. Up until now there has been one big problem. It has only been sold in large 55-gallon drums. That's just not feasible for most people, so most people have never heard of it. That changes now.